Are you tired of studying hard but still not seeing the grades you want? Focus is key to achieving academic success, and it's what sets apart those who excel from those who struggle. Many students face challenges when it comes to concentration, their minds wandering during study sessions, making it hard to retain information. This can lead to poor grades and a whole lot of stress. Students often get caught up in social media, notifications, or even just daydreaming. And, before they know it, hours have passed and they've gotten nothing done. This not only affects their grades, but also their self-confidence. Some students try to combat this by studying longer, but this can lead to burnout. Others get distracted by their surroundings, whether it's a noisy room or a cluttered desk. Students who struggle with focus often find themselves rereading the same material over and over, still not grasping the concept. This can be frustrating and demoralizing, making them feel like they're just not cut out for academics. To improve focus, there are several strategies that can be implemented. One tip is to break study sessions into smaller chunks with scheduled breaks in between. Another tip is to eliminate distractions, such as turning off notifications or finding a quiet study space. One strategy is to use the Pomodoro Technique, which involves studying for a set amount of time, then taking a short break. This can help stay focused and avoid burnout. Another strategy is to set specific goals for each study session, helping to stay motivated and on track. A particularly impactful tip is to prioritize sleep and exercise, as both play a significant role in cognitive function. Getting enough sleep and regular exercise can improve focus, concentration, and overall mental health. This tip can be a game changer for students who struggle with focus, as it addresses the root of the problem rather than just the symptoms. By taking care of their physical and mental health, students can improve their ability to concentrate and retain information. Regular exercise has also been shown to improve mental clarity and boost mood, making it easier to stay focused and motivated. By implementing these strategies, students can improve their focus and achieve their academic goals. Focus is not just about studying harder, but about studying smarter and taking care of your overall health. In conclusion, focusing better, not harder, is key to boosting your grades and achieving academic success. If you have any favorite focus tips, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other video on study techniques for more tips and tricks to help you succeed.